Good morning. Ooh.
Mom!
We're going to
No, keep it.
Target.
Wait, why are we going to Target?
I need a new SD card.
No!
Then beaches. Weird. I don't even freaking know. I guess we'll see. We're at Target. Oh my god, I'm too white. Target. We're at Target. Just here to get some food. I need an SD card. I'm not sure what else, but yeah. After this, we're going to a beach that has like I don't even know, but a lot of nature stuff. So that's nice. Right. So got Target down, and now I guess we're going to Crescent Beach. I think that's where we're going. Yeah. Cool. It's hot out. Yay. We're at the beach. We're going over a marsh first, I guess. Cool. Nice. It's hot, but it's okay because we got umbrellas and chairs, and we'll be okay. Ew. Leaving the beach. It's still way too hot. I'm dying. And my hair looks really stupid. My hair always looks stupid.
I am stupid.
No. But yeah. I want to go back to the hotel to get some stuff.
Are we gonna do that?
I don't know. Because it's only like 4 something, right? And we're planning on staying. So we'd have time.
We're storm watchers. We're going to get it.
Oh my God, there's lightning, for real. Okay, look here. Right?
Start the motor, Jer. Can you steer?
Michaela, come here. Michaela.
What?
Come here. I want to show you something. Oh, what is that? See? That's a crab. And you see that one right there? That's a crab too. Hey, dude. Aren't they cool? They're literally everywhere.
I wanna go see where they're going. Follow them. Let's go follow them.
Why?
Here, Lindsay, I'm here.
Hi.
You need the bag. I want to eat too.
We're finally back at the hotel. It's 10 p.m. Don't know. Sad because
Depression.
Pride Month is almost over, and I'm really sad because the World freaking Pride Parade was in New York City today, and I wasn't there, and I'm really pissed about it. Literally every YouTuber and celebrity was there the freaking year I don't go. Yeah, you know, it's fine. I'm not bitter or anything. It's fine, right? It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's just fine. Hey y'all, it's future Lindsay editing this, and I forgot to end the vlog again. So this is your farewell. I know this one was a little shorter, but I hope you still enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and there should be a longer one for the next day. And I can't wait for the last vlog of this trip. Oh my god, it's my favorite. I love it. But bye! I love you!